Hi students, this is Mary White and welcome to Web 110, HTML5 and CSS3. The course will be on Canvas, so if you're used to desire to learn, and I'm sure you are, you will be moving over to Canvas. And to access Canvas in the browser URL, you just type in Canvas, C-A-N-V-A-S .jcc.edu, and it will bring you over to your profile. And on the left hand side is a menu bar, and if you click on the dashboard, which I have clicked on here, it will show you the cards for each of your classes. And as you can see, I'm teaching multiple sessions of HTML5 CSS3. So I'm going to click on the Web 110 class here, and it will have HTML5 and CSS3 right here so that you can see it. Look for your class number, and then it will bring you to the home page. What I'm going to do is I'm going to come over here and I am going to come to the settings and put this in student mode so that you guys can see what it looks like for a student. So we will just work from that view forward. And this will show you what the home page looks like when you come to the Web 110 HTML5 and CSS3 class. From there, you have assignments, discussions, grades, so you can actually view your grades. But I wanted to quickly look at the assignments, so I'm just going to click on that. There are two views you can look at. You can do by the groups, or you can actually use this triangle and open up the different groups. So I have case studies and quizzes for each chapter in the book, or you can show by date, and it just shows everything. So that gets to be a little overwhelming. So sometimes to show by the groups like case studies and quizzes is a little less overwhelming. The way I want you to be looking at the class, and I think it will be the easiest way, is to come straight down here to modules, and this will bring us to each week, and there's 16 weeks of class. So we really have a short time together to go through the whole book and have you do everything you need to do to learn to build web pages and websites. So the first day of class, we will have a lecture. I hope to make it a entertaining lecture, but we'll see. Hopefully you guys will be ready. Make sure you go to the bookstore and get your book. You will have a quiz that first week, and you will have a small template that you have to turn in to Dropbox. So each week there will be something for you to do. From there, if you have been in the class for some time and you want to check out your grade, you can come over to the grades. It will open. And this brings up a student, so this would be your name. And then it will show you each of the assignments names. It will put your status and your score. The first two assignments, the syllabus quiz and technology agreement, are the first day of class. We will do those in class. You have till midnight that day to do them, but I hope we do them in class. And so everybody walking out the first day of class should have an A in my class. I hope you all continue to have A's in my class the whole way through. But from there, you can actually look at your grade and scroll down and see all of the assignments. I think I have around 2,500 points total for the grades. The grades are based on an A, B, C, D, F grade rubric, and that rubric is the 10% drop. So if you get less than 90, you go to a B. You get less than 80, you go to a C, and so on and so on. So that is pretty standard. I don't change that, but I do want you to know that I do have some pretty hefty assignments here that give you a couple hundred points. Your last final website gives you 500 points. So it's very important that you know that, because that last assignment is a fifth of your grade. Those websites, the two websites before that, are both 200. So yeah, all three websites are going to be 2/5 of your grade. So they definitely are very important that you get them done. So other than that, quizzes and case studies will accumulate the rest of the 3/5 of the grade. Other than that, we have weekly assignments, so come down to the modules. You'll see kind of what we're going to be doing. Each of the pages will be just kind of an outline of what's going to happen that week, and you will be able to see what I'm going to talk about. And then I have just a dashed line, and after the dashed line is going to be the information or the things that you will need to do. So above the dashed line will be what I'm going to talk about in class. Below the dashed line is what you'll need to be doing. If you want to see it in a calendar view and when things are due, you can actually bring up the calendar. You can scroll through it by week, month, agenda. You can actually see that, the scheduler. So really kind of nice to that. I keep it on month, and then you can actually scroll through the different months here and see when things are due. So I will be so happy to see you in class on Monday, and let's just get going and build some websites. Thank you very much. Bye.